Hi children, this is your English teacher Kapila going to teach you a poem of 6th class. Before going to teach you this poem, I will pose you some questions. Get ready to answer. Here you can see the picture of some people. Who are they? You know they are all our national leaders. You can see a name at the bottom of the picture also. What's that? Yes, it is India. What is India? Anyone can say that India is our country. And do you say the other word for the country? Think. Nation is the other word for the country. And I'll ask some more questions. Listen carefully and answer, children. If I'll give you a single stick and a bundle of sticks, which one will be the stronger? A single stick or a bundle of sticks? Bundle of sticks is the stronger one. Why can you say? Because they are not single, they are united. Unity gives strength, and united we stand, divided we fall. So the noun form of the strong is strength. So what will be the strength of a nation? Let us know from the poem this a nation's strength. Come on children, I'll say the poem now. You listen carefully, keeping your fingers along the sentences and put a mark where I stop. Can you find any unfamiliar words? Okay, you also underline if you find any unfamiliar, means unknown words. And watch carefully, listen carefully while I am reading. Okay, come on, let us start. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Okay, if you find any unfamiliar words, let us know those words from the glossary. Okay? Glossary. Nation, country. Truth, reality. Honor, high respect. Stand fast, refuse to give up. Sleep, take rest. Fly, escape. Okay, have you known the unknown words? Now, you watch the poem once again and try to say the sentences along with me, okay? Not good, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky, and lift them to the sky. Okay, have you caught the rhythm of the poem? You practice later. Now let us analyze the poem and let us know what is the strength of a nation through this poem. Now I will say the poem, you listen carefully and understand the poem. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Not gold, but only men can make. Who can make? Men can make. Not gold, bangaram kadu, but who? Men. What can they make? What can they make? A people great and strong. They can make a people great and strong. People means here the nation. People are nothing but nation. దేశం అంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశం అంటే మనుషులోయ్ కదా. So here the people only can make the nation strong and great, but not the gold or any kind of wealth. వేరే ఏ సంపద కానీ బంగారం కానీ దేశాన్ని దృఢంగా చేయలేవు, గొప్పగా చేయలేవు. ఎవరు చేస్తారు? ఓన్లీ మెన్. మెన్ హూ ఫర్ ట్రూత్ అండ్ ఆనర్ సేక్. మెన్ హూ ఫర్ ట్రూత్. ట్రూత్ మీన్స్ రియాలిటీ అండ్ ఆనర్ మీన్స్ రెస్పెక్ట్. సేక్ అంటే కోసం. మెన్ హూ స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఫర్ ట్రూత్, రియాలిటీ అండ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ stand fast and suffer long. Stand fast. Men who stand fast. Stand fast means they refuse to give up. They never give up. వాళ్ళు వెనుకాడరు, వదిలేయరు దేన్నైనా కష్టపడడానికి. దే సఫర్ లాంగ్. వాళ్ళు దే స్ట్రగుల్ అండ్ సఫర్ లాంగ్. వాళ్ళు శ్రమిస్తారు దేశం కోసం. అటువంటి వాళ్ళు దేశాన్ని దృఢంగా ఉంచుతారు. ద మెన్ హూ స్ట్రగుల్ ఫర్ ద నేషన్ అండ్ హూ స్ట్రగుల్ ఫర్ ద ట్రూత్ అండ్ ఆనర్ అండ్ హూ నెవర్ give up and who suffer long will strengthen the nation. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. Brave men means the people who are brave are called brave men. Dhairyavantuలు, courageous people. Who work for others sleep. Who means here that brave people work. When do they work? While others sleep, they work. Sleep means here they take rest. When other people take rest, these brave people work, and these brave people dare, while others people fly. Fly means escape. While others escape the work, these people work, and they build a nation's pillars deep. They means again the brave people build. What do they build? They build a nation means they build a country, nation. Nation's pillars deep. అంటే దేశం అనే యొక్క భవంతి యొక్క పునాదుల్ని చాలా లోతుగా గట్టిగా నిర్మిస్తారు. ఎవరు? దీస్ బ్రేవ్ పీపుల్. అండ్ లిఫ్ట్ దెమ్ టు ద స్కై. ఆ భవంతిని ఆకాశం వరకు తీసుకెళ్తారు. మీన్స్ దే కీప్ ద కంట్రీ ఇన్ ఎ రెస్పెక్టబుల్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ద స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద నేషన్. దిస్ poem is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Have you understood, children? Okay, practice the poem at your home. And now you take your assignment. Okay? Who wrote the poem Nation's Strength? Who can make the nation strong? What is meant by honor? Who work while others sleep? Who gives strength to the nation?